In this tutorial, we'll cover how to send consent forms to patients via both email and text message. Start by clicking on the patient's name to bring up the patient pop-up. In the pop-up, locate and click on the third to last button labeled Attach Consent Forms. A window will appear displaying a list of available consent forms. Select the forms you wish to send by clicking on them. After selecting the forms, click on the Actions drop-down menu and choose Send Email and Text. Click Submit to send the forms. After the forms have been sent, a notification will appear confirming that the forms have been successfully sent to the patient via both email and text message. The patient will receive an email and a text message containing the consent forms. They should open the email and/or text message and click on the link provided to access the forms. The patient will then fill out the forms electronically and submit them. A notification will appear when submitted. In the bottom right, once the forms are submitted by the patient, staff members can view the submitted forms in the imaging module. This allows staff members to access and review the completed forms. This notification will show when the forms were completed. Thank you for watching.